Yes. What's going on, my trading addicts? Let's get it. We are here again. Today's a good video because I'm going to talk about the day when everything changed for me when it comes to trading. All right, so we're going to talk about that, and also we're going to talk about more because today is all about Q&A. So I'm going to read some comments and questions. So let's go. All right, so we're gonna go to the first question, but if you're new to the channel, thanks a lot for stopping by. What I do is I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. I've been trading for 14 years, so definitely make sure you check out the content that I have for you guys. All right, so let's go to the first question. Sir, do you believe in averaging into trades if the overall risk is less than 2%? Now, I don't usually average in. Sometimes I do, but that's like, I would say once in a blue. Usually I have, a set stop loss. And if I feel that the market is going to move in my favor, maybe I will scale in some more. But I really don't scale in when it's dropping. Sometimes if I see, okay, maybe this level will hold, maybe I will scale in sometimes. But for the most part, I don't really do that. But there's nothing wrong with that, okay? If you have a set stop, don't average in if you don't have a plan and you're gonna make your loser even bigger. Please don't do that. But make sure you have a plan, make sure you have a stop in place, and if you want to average in, and if it works for you, go ahead, right? So let's go to the next comment. The content of the video is honestly the best and will not even be found in a paid course. Love you, Ben. We always want some psychology videos for trading. Appreciate it if you want to come up with it sooner or later. Forever your sub for the rest of my life. Keep doing the great work. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for subbing for life. Thanks a lot. Let's go to the next comment. What is the best time frame to trade for a very small account? Now, when it comes to trading, there's really no best. If someone tells you, is the best when it comes to time frame or the best when it comes to anything, that person is lying. It's whatever fits you. So I like to trade a 5-minute chart. Sometimes I go to the 1-minute chart. So it's best to go on the chart, test it out, and see, what fits you. But I usually tell, students to trade a 5-minute chart. It's usually much smoother than a 1-minute chart. So I usually tell, all my students to start with the 5-minute chart first before you even go to the 1-minute chart, right? So let's go to the next comment. You stated on a 5-minute chart, you tend to make 1 to 3 trades per day. What if your first trade is a loss? Do you take another trade? If you have 2 losses in a row, do you take another trade? Thank you for your time. And this is a good question, man. Yes. So if I have a loss, 2 losers in a row, yes, I would try to, keep going and see if I can make profits. I usually have a cutoff point when maybe if I have 4 losers in a row, I'm done for the day. But yeah, if I have 1 loser, 2 losers, I'll still keep trading just to see if I could make some profits for the day. And if I can, I can't. But for the most part, yeah, I try to do that, okay? So let's go to the next question. All right, so this is the question of the day. This is the reason why I actually, made the title. So let's go to the question. Hello, Ben, aka Day Trading Addict. Just out of curiosity, the last account you opened, the one where it all started, how much did you open the account for, and how much money did you make per day in operations with profit in the first months? Greetings, your videos are helping me a lot to understand the market and how to operate. So this is a good question. So let me just make sure I don't forget anything. So basically the first question is, how much did I open the account with? I would say either around like 8,000 or 9,000 I had in my account pretty much when it all started. And how much profits did I make? So this is a good one because my profits wasn't that big. So I was making, $400 a week. Some weeks I make $500 a week. Some weeks I'm making, $900 a week. So my profits wasn't big. I mean, some days I'm making $80. Some days I'm making $100, right? It wasn't that big. So let me explain to you guys the day when it pretty much all started. And, I want to give you like one of the main reasons why I feel like, I took my trading to the next level. Okay, there's multiple reasons, but, let's talk about the one reason today. And that is I literally detached myself from the money. Okay, that was really the big breakthrough when I was trading and building up my account, because every time I tried to, worry about money, I would either lose, I would, maybe not take the next trade. So me, I had to say, you know what? Forget about the money. Let me detach myself from the money. So in the beginning, I was just working my way up. I wasn't making that much, okay? So I want you guys to understand that you do not have to start with a lot of money, okay? You don't. The main important thing when it comes to trading is building your trading skills. That's the most important thing. And the best way to do it is detach yourself from the money. Because if you don't, guess what? You know, every single trade is going to be about the money, and it's hard to trade the right way when you're always thinking about money. And I can tell that a lot of you guys are always thinking about the money because I hear it all the time. Ben, I'm trying to, follow my rules, but I can't. You know, I always have FOMO. Usually that's because you want to chase the money. Ben, I can't, I'm revenge trading. I don't know, what should I do? That's because you're trying to make back your money, right? Everything is usually attached to some money. Ben, I can't take the next trade. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. That's because you're scared because you don't want to lose money, right? It's usually always some type of money involved. So I had to detach myself from money, okay? So I had to lower my size and I didn't care. So I hope you guys can hear that and really take notes and really understand that was one thing that really helped me take my trading to the next level, right? So let's go to the next comment. After your course, my trading skills and strategies are much better. Now I trade when I have an entry confirmation and not based on emotions. And when my target is achieved, I'm done for the day. And risk management is what I follow before starting the day and any trade. Thanks to you and all the members in the Discord have been very helpful. Shout out to you, man. Appreciate that you are seeing the market much better and you are trading much better, man. Keep it up, right? So let's go to the next comment. Officially my favorite channel on YouTube. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And thanks for subbing. All right. So let's go to the next comment. Every time I see profit on my trades, I open more trades with bigger lot. And this habit has blown my account too many times. Can you help me with this? How can I change my mindset? I love your videos. I'm a new subscriber. Man, shout out to you. Man, this is a big one because a lot of people, especially if you're new. So basically, you see the market go your way, you open up bigger lots, and it backfires on you. So to me, it sounds like you don't really have a true plan when it comes to adding, okay? Adding is a separate, like a lot of people don't understand, adding is a separate skill. So let's say that you are profitable just without adding at all. If you start to add, you can actually turn a winning strategy into a losing strategy. So the best thing to do is you have to come up with a strategy for adding by itself. So it's a strategy by itself just for adding. So the way to do this is you have to go back on the charts, back test, make sure you know the best time to add and go from there, because if you do it like this, you're going to blow up your account. Stop adding, because right now you look like you're thinking about the money. Remember, they always go back to the money. So you probably are not at a stage where you should be adding anyway. So again, you're probably trying to rush and try to make more money. But if you are at a stage where you can add, back test and figure out the best time to add. All right, so let's go to the next comment. What is your Instagram, bro? I want to message you on there, but I look you up and there are like 10 fake accounts trying to imitate your page. Shout out to you. Yes. So my real information when it comes to Instagram is below in the description. You can click that link and then go straight to my Instagram account. And I want to basically post the Instagram handle on the screen right now, but pretty much it's a day trading addict, same as my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's go to the next comment. The problem with choppy markets is your stop loss has to be huge. If the market is volatile, yes, the candles gets much bigger and your stop loss might increase. But the way I deal with that is if it's too big, then downsize, okay? So just lower your share size or lower your contracts or lots and go from there, okay? You can't just continue to trade the same size if the market is more volatile and if you have to use a wider stop. So that's how you go about that, right? So let's go to the next comment. Do you trade with news? No. So if the news comes out, I'm not in the market, especially if it's high, big impact news. I'm not in the market. I'm usually trading maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes after. But no, I'm not trying to predict where the market wants to go as soon as news comes out. Maybe you can make it work. I don't know. Me personally, I don't care about that, right? So let's go to the next comment. Hey, Ben, is it possible to get 75 to 80% win rate when it comes to supply and demand trading? Well, you can get that with probably experience, right? And I talked about this before. Experience usually increase your win rate. So with experience, anything is possible. But I want to make sure you understand win rate is not important. Okay, you can still make money with a 40% win rate, 50% win rate, 60% win rate. So don't worry about a crazy 90% win rate. Trust me, you're just gonna keep banging your head against the wall, just to get a high win rate. Don't worry about that. Trading is all about taking the right trades over and over and over, right? So let's go to the next comment. Do you see the 1 hour of time frame while day trading? Yes, I do look at the 1 hour, but it's not my main chart. My main chart is pretty much the 5-minute chart. I look at the 1 hour just to see, the overall picture, maybe plot some levels, but overall 5-minute chart, I'm really, really stalking that for the most part. All right, so let's go to the next comment. I can't thank you enough. Been watching for only a couple of months and now I'm starting to be more successful. Definitely planning to buy your trading plan. Just wanted to ask, why do you day trade Nasdaq and not crypto in general? Is the market more clear to you or are the movements bigger? Thank you. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for tuning in. So overall, I started with the indices since day one. So that's pretty much my bread and butter. Since day one, I've been trading S&P 500, the Dow, Nasdaq. So that's why I like it. Yes, I love the movements, and crypto's good. But to me, I think the indices has a little bit more volume when it comes to day trading. But you can still day trade crypto if you want to. I do have students that trade crypto, and that's the good thing about price action. Doesn't matter what market you're trading, you can still use price action in any market, right? So let's go to the next comment. Boss, do you think it's possible to grow a small account scalping, getting in with the momentum of the move and not experiencing much drawdown, obviously when your analysis and more plays out your way? Well, it seems like you're trying to, have no drawdown, and don't worry about that. When it comes to trading, I don't care about drawdown. I don't care if 90% of, my trades have drawdown. It doesn't matter. As long as I'm following my rules and I can make money. It's just that simple. I don't really care about drawdown. But I mean, some trades, yeah, you can scalp it and have no drawdown, but don't really, worry about that, right? So let's go to the next comment. I love your channel. I learned a lot. You're definitely one of my favorite traders, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate that. And thanks for subbing, right? Let's go to the next comment. I really comment on YouTube videos, but man, can't thank you enough for the information you provide. Appreciate it, man. I'm just trying to provide high quality information. So thanks a lot. So let's go to the next comment. I needed this video. I noticed my main problem is trading too much. The other day I was up 500 after 3 trades in a 30-minute period. Then got cocky, took another trade and ended up losing $300 of the $500. And the reason why I, post this because a lot of traders go through this, man. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for, subscribing. But I post this because a lot of traders go through this. And in the morning time, they make money and then they give it all back because they want to trade. They think that trading more equals more money. It doesn't, guys. It equals more mistakes, right? It's very hard to trade all day and stay focused and see the market very clear all day. It's very hard. So me, honestly, I don't take that many trades. I try not to. So learn from this and make sure you understand you do not have to trade all day. All right. All right. So let's go to the last comment. Basically, do you use limit or stop orders or just buy, sell at the market? I use limit sometimes if I see the market very clear. If I see like maybe they're trapping buyers or trapping sellers and it's coming back to a key level, yes, I'll use a limit. But for the most part, I'm using buy stop orders to get in the market, and sometimes I do use market orders. But me, mostly I get in with buy stops or sell stops. All right, so that's all I have for you guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you join my free Telegram group. That's where I post motivational videos and exclusive discounts for my trader program. All right, so if you don't have my trade program on now, make sure you check it out in the description. I actually have a sale going on. It's going to end very, very soon, so make sure you take advantage of that. And also, if you have a question, please comment below because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.